Not enough hot water? Low water pressure? Let the Meridian Company help. With friendly, licensed staff, the plumbers at the Meridian Company have the answers to all your plumbing needs. From emergency house calls to routine maintenance, the Meridian Company is here for you. Serving Greater Lansing for over 30 years, our team has the training and knowledge to fix your plumbing problem the first time. That's the Meridian advantage. And with guaranteed pricing and on-time arrival, fixing your plumbing problem has never been easier. For more information and to schedule a plumber today, call 339-6300 or visit themeridianadvantage.net.